When he left the hospital, he ended up in a cartel cell.
Yeah, but what you do for there?
Killer, you see after me do robbery and reach back a punish town,
Yeah.
I saw me know some woman wicked my lord.
Yeah, why you say that?
Look you know, killer.
Yeah.
Me I make good girl. And she go get a dirty Blackberry. And you see if she get it, she go in her phone and she no come back in my lord. The girl start wash with one hand, my lord. Cook with one hand, my lord. Sweep the yard with one hand, my lord. God believe me, look what me good. You see when man a come off a robbery?
Yeah.
Like me mind a tell me say something wrong in no killer.
Wrong a yard.
You see when me reach near yard, me a hear a girl a make some fuck noise. You know like in nice when they feel good like and then nice there. So me say oh a girl start fuck without me.
Yeah.
So me kick off the door. Now one coolie boy that a ram out the hole.
Me
The
blow.
boy jump through the window and me girt her. And me tell the girl already say you say anything you give her a pussy, you better make sure when you come home in no under you. Cause me will cut you out. Me just cut off her head. And care go put in a me fridge. How you mean? Next morning me I sell one police one bag juice and me open the fridge and he see it. I suck on me there my lad.
That's right.